Hey everyone, welcome back to my QUIZMIND channel. Today we're playing a super fun game called Would You Rather. I'm going to give you two choices and you'll have to pick one even if it's a really tough decision. Make sure to comment your answers down below because I'd love to see what you would choose. Please guys, like and subscribe to my channel. Are you ready, guys? Live in a forest or by the beach? Watch the sunrise or watch the sunset? Hike a mountain or swim in a lake? Walk in a rain or lie under a stars? Plant a tree or grow a garden? Climb a mountain or walk in a valley? Sit on the beach or sit in the garden? Collect a seashells or collect a colorful leaves? Enjoy a rain or enjoy a snowfall? Watch a full moon or a starry night?